I don't know if you noticed something about the car.
The grill is off. The sunroof.
Tell him what
Yeah,
to do.
look at your car nicely, man.
Just look at your car properly.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video with your boy Chance. Yes guys, today I'm gonna give you guys another update, but right now I'm still at work. It's currently lunchtime, but I quickly ran to go collect something for the E30. I don't know if I might be able to install it today. I don't think today, maybe tomorrow, I don't know, I'll see. So yes boys and girls, you guys are gonna see it just now, and it's something that we needed to do for a long time, boys. So yeah, let me take it quickly. It is boys. So this is another dash that got re-upholstered, especially covered. So we'll see how it's gonna look in the E30 when it's all installed, boys and girls. So yeah, hope it's gonna look sick though. So yes guys, if you guys remember Boki, we've met Boki a couple of times on the vlog before, but for you guys, for new viewers, you guys don't know Boki. Boki's an auto detailing guy. So yeah, he plugged us with this refurbished dash. Refurbished dash. It's gonna go on the car, I don't know when, I hope pretty soon though, because the car's still not with us and I cannot take it to the guy that he recommended me to go install it for me, some old man. So yeah, right now, well, later on we want to find out together when the car's going to be done so I can quickly go get the dash buttoned up. So yeah, later on today guys, after I knock off at work, we're going to go get another update on the E30. Hope you guys are looking forward to that. And then yeah, boys and girls, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The car's coming together, boys and girls. I hope you guys can see that. So yeah, we are trying to push as hard as we can. Huge shout out to the guys at ProSpray AutoBody Work, Waid and his son Muin. They're pushing so hard to get the car all good. Huge shout out to Jermaine as well. He played a big part in the build of this car to get the body work done as well. So shout out to him for playing us with the guys at ProSpray. Boys and girls, there's a mouthful to be thankful for. I'm thankful for you guys as well. Oh, it's just a lot, and I'm trying also to give you guys the content that you guys love. But yes guys, I'll talk to you guys later on in the day. Let me go finish up my spanning. See you guys later, boys and girls.
Extremely annoying shift later.
Yeah, boys and girls, right now I'm on my way to ProSpray AutoBody to go see the update on the car. And one thing that I forgot to mention to you guys for the past few weeks or days is going to be a big reveal of the car, guys. Something is going to be done to it. I don't want to mention, but yeah, right now as we are heading to ProSpray, I might not show you guys the car fully if whatever it is, that thing or those things are fitted on the car. So yeah guys, that's a big surprise for you guys later on if you guys are going to be at Germany versus Japan this coming Sunday. So yeah, but of course many of you guys are not going to be there, so yes, I'm going to do the big reveal of the car with whatever it is or if they are installed on the car. So yes guys, really hope you guys are excited to see that. But yeah, I can't say much, I can't say anything, I can't give you guys any hints because it's a big thing. But yeah boys, let me get to ProSpray. Let's see how the car is coming along. Yeah, see you guys later. Peace.
Few moments later.
Look who's here, boys and girls. Mr. Jermaine. Jermaine in the building. Jermaine in the building. Mr. Wayne. How's it, James? How's everyone? Show off it.
How are you, my brother?
Good, how are you?
Okay, man.
I'm easy. You good? Ooh. Okay, at least I can still show the car.
So I don't know if you noticed something about the car.
The grill is off. The sunroof.
Tell him what
Yeah,
to do.
look at your car nicely, man.
Just look at your car properly.
Look at every detail of the car.
Is the car fully painted?
Nah, look at the car.
Walk around first, yeah.
Is the car fully painted?
Yeah, we did.
The car. What? A full. Yo. What? There's no way. There's no way. Yeah. I don't know what to say, guys.
So the bumpers will still get done.
Only the
Yeah.
bumpers.
We'll spray all the beadings.
All the beadings.
They're busy repairing
Oh,
the sun.
yeah. And this is a big surprise. A big surprise.
Yeah,
What?
hey, the colors were.
I was hoping to
Mismatched.
after the bumpers were done.
Yeah. Aish.
Surprise us.
Aish. I'm sorry.
Came over early.
I'm sorry, guys. Well, but the guys like wanted another video for tomorrow. You know, Thursdays we upload, so. But yo, this is a big surprise.
Now you can see it a little bit better.
Yeah.
Because it looks.
So this is not, it's not the paint, it's not the color it's gonna be.
It's just.
Okay.
What we did, we just put rubberizer on to harden it up.
Okay.
So it doesn't crack, won't give any trouble in the future.
Right. Oh,
Wahid did the things, man.
yo.
And Moin. These guys are going over.
They fighting. Mr. Moin, thanks, bro. Yo. Dude, I appreciate it. Full repaint.
Blow over.
Blow over. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It's the same like a full respray. It's just. It's not as.
We didn't strip the
You don't strip stuff and whatever.
Yeah. But it came out nice though.
Even here underneath them is do the black, all of that.
Yeah.
So I wanna get the car on the lift to heat it out there.
Alright.
And then re-rubberize it.
Right. Okay.
Because this here is like stone chip. It's called stone chip.
Stone
You see
chip.
Like the rough.
Yeah. The texture is. Oh, okay. Yo.
But you know all the scratches and
Everything's gone now. Goed man. Ja, dat was het. Ja. Oh. Yeah, nee. So guys, Jermaine got us a few stuff for the box.
you took the other clips, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just like these
Yeah.
are like the door beating clips.
Door beating
you don't
clips.
only use clips and stuff. You saw the rubber, ne? The OEM rubber seal.
Rubber seal for the antenna.
Yeah,
And now that's also in
yeah.
properly now, nice and flush.
I think this is the arm for the sunroof.
Yeah.
One of the,
For the sunroof.
yeah.
What, you went already and got it?
Yeah, just one of them.
Okay.
But we still need to get the other arm. Remember I told you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, Mr. Jermaine.
More clips. This is the clip for your doors. This part goes into the door, so it clips in like that. And so it clips in like that, right? And then your door beading slides in.
Oh,
on
slides
that
in.
side, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So many bits and bobs.
Yeah, this is another sunroof
Rubber.
antenna rubber
Okay.
from PM. So your one is already
It's already in now.
Yeah.
What?
Big stuff happening.
What? Now this car got major love. Major. Yeah, truly.
He took the initiative.
You as well, Mr. Moon. Yeah. Jermaine, how can I leave you out? No. But you guys is...
It's ProSpray, man.
Yeah. But, oof. I'm still in awe. A huge feeling of goosebumps in my back. Now this is a nice update. This is sick. Okay, afternoon, sir. How are you? So I just asked the guys. They say they can try to attempt and change it. So I'm just gonna leave it, and then yeah. And also, boys and girls, I'm gonna leave the mud flaps here for the rears because the front are not gonna work. So rear mud flaps are gonna go on as well. It's gonna look chic. Wait. Yeah.
Cool, are you there? How much is the seal? What's my discount? Is that the one piece or the two piece? The one piece is for 635. Don't you have the two piece in stock?
Guys, this why boys and girls, boys and girls, yo, please do me a huge favor and go follow the guys at ProSpray AutoBody Works on IG. The guys are really killing it. They were so pressed on time. They had a short amount of time to do all the work that they did, and it's coming along nicely, boys and girls. I am so pleased with how it's coming. The car got a full blow over, guys, so the white is just so nice and crisp. My boys, I'm super excited. So yeah, boys and girls, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, right now they're just prepping to get the bumpers sprayed. I think the beatings might be done maybe tomorrow, I don't know, but it doesn't matter. For now they're just gonna start with the bumpers, and it's coming along nicely. Boys. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna stay long enough to show you guys that, but if I am still here, then yeah, you guys will see how they're gonna do the whole bumpers nicely into a nice satin finish. So it's gonna be looking so dope. But yeah, guys, please do this for me. Go give a huge thanks to the guys at ProSpray AutoBody. Please go to their IG, DM them, flood their DMs, boys. Flood the DMs and tell them thanks for the sponsor on the E30, boys. So I'm really pleased. I'm really happy with how it's coming along. It's just too much, boys. I was getting like a flood of goosebumps on my back when I saw the car looking this white. The white is just too good, boys. It's just too powerful.
8:01 p.m.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is way later on in the day, but yeah, hope you guys like the video though. Right now I'm actually taking out the mud flaps on the Kia that you guys can see. The wheel is out. Just gonna take out the mud flaps and call it a day, boys and girls. But I really hope you guys liked today's video. Huge shout out to everyone again that featured on this video. Huge shout out to the guys at ProSpray AutoBody. Huge shout out to Jermaine. Huge shout out to Borky for hooking us up with the dash. Yeah, guys, I really appreciate you guys as well for watching the videos. The videos have been doing so well. I'm quite pleased with how you guys are happy with the progress of the E30. But yeah, guys, please make sure to like the video. Once again, please make sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are not subscribed to the channel already. Yeah, boys and girls, I'm quite tired and I still have this tedious job of taking out the mud flaps. So yeah, I'm gonna put it a day for you guys. But yeah, boys, this was the last update on the E30. The next video from here should be the reveal or us being at Jermaine versus Jab. If we are gonna make it there, that's a story for another day. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Dismissing the hard work, they calling it talent. And I find that disrespectful, cause I put on the mileage. Up for the but I'm down for the challenge. Step off the scene just to find me a balance. These niggas don't want it to get it, cause when it got hard, them niggas I quit it. So much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out this bubble, dog, yeah.